In this video, I'll show you how to use the SpeTool Router Jig's 2-in-1 design for flawless juice grooves and clean circle cuts without extra templates. Let's first take a look at the product itself. We designed the track as the backbone of the router jig. Its sturdy build delivers smooth guidance and maximum accuracy, ensuring every cut is straight and flawless. The clamp block is engineered for stability. By firmly holding your workpiece in place, it eliminates slipping and vibration, so every cut is clean and reliable. With these circle cutting parts, versatility comes built in. Adjust the radius to your needs and create precise, smooth circles, no extra jigs required. These are all the parts of the SpeTool Router Jig. To install the SpeTool Router Jig, begin by assembling two tracks together. Once you have two sets completed, join them to form the full 4-track system. Keep the screws half-tightened during adjustment. This allows for smooth alignment and effortless movement. Once positioned, secure the jig firmly to your workbench using the clamp blocks for maximum stability. Pay close attention to the orientation of the clamp block during installation. Make sure the notch is aligned correctly. Installing it backward can lead to bending or deformation during use. Once the router bit is installed, you're ready to start cutting. During the cut, your arms should not only push the router forward, but also apply downward pressure and keep it snug against the track. This ensures optimal guidance and the cleanest, most precise cuts. Next up is circle cutting, which only requires a single track. Slide the center block and base block into the track. Using the small arrows on the parts, you can accurately set the desired cutting radius. Then lock everything securely in place. Mark the center point, drill a hole, and insert the pin. Here I'm using a SpeTool drill guide. When performing circle cuts, remember to apply the same 3 directional forces mentioned earlier: forward push, downward pressure, and keeping the router snug against the track. Coordinating all 3 ensures smooth, precise, circular cuts. The SpeTool Router Jig offers a true 2-in-1 functionality: precise juice groove routing and perfect circle cutting, all in a single versatile tool. At the same time, there are other use cases and ways to operate it waiting for you to explore.